Yeah, I kind of want to get a, because I have a peepee, but I don't have a wee. I've been thinking of doing one of the wee blind bags someday. I want the wee to be my labubu. I don't own a labubu. Like when people wear labubus as like a fashion accessory, I kind of want a wee to wear. I got one of those. I keep him over here. Here, you can hear him squeak. Yeah. Your dog reacted to the squeaker. Oh! Come here, come here. Hey. Hey, come here. Did I get your dog riled up? You're welcome. Actually, no, I'm sorry. Sorry about that. Dog to dog communication. I'm sorry. Excuse me. What did you just call me? You know what? Hold on. Let me... Where did I put them? Ah, yes. Oh, wait, this is kind of embarrassing. I just thought about myself like in third person and I got embarrassed. Oh, you like that, huh? Okay. You like that, huh? Okay. Noted. Okay, that's enough. Okay, I need to get rid of this. This is too much for Omo. Bye bye. じゃあねー。バイバイ。バイバイバイバイバイバイバイ。